Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you no longer need advanced features or want to stop recurring payments, canceling Perplexity Pro is quick and straightforward. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to cancel Perplexity Pro effectively. So open Perplexity AI, so go to perplexity.ai or open the mobile app, log into your account, go to settings, so click your profile icon, open settings, okay. Now open subscription section or accounts, okay. So as you can see here, click manage subscription in the billing after you upgrade, okay. Cancel subscription, so click cancel subscription, confirm your choice, okay. Cancellation initiated, so wait for confirmation. You should see confirmation message or email confirmation. Make sure it's canceled, okay, so you have to verify it. Keep using until expiry, so after canceling you still have pro access until end of the or end of billing cycle, so no immediate loss, okay. So cancel on mobile if needed. So if you subscribed via mobile, for example iPhone, go to App Store, profile, subscriptions, Perplexity, and cancel. If you are on Android, go to Google Play, payments and subscriptions, Perplexity, and cancel, okay. So must cancel from the same platform, okay. Double check status, so go to settings, subscription, confirm it shows canceled or ending soon, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.